The best kind of kindness is random. It sneaks up behind us and catches us off guard. Ooh, ooh. The best kind of kindness is sudden. It sneaks up and stuns us, catching us by surprise. The best kind of kindness is sprinkled like confetti. It flies in the sky and then steadily it floats down, down, around, as far as the eye can see. Kindness for you and me. Ooh, a simple smile will do. Ooh, a simple word makes me feel heard. Ooh, just wave at me and I will see that you've noticed me. It really is so easy. The best kind of kindness is random. It comes out of nowhere and brightens a person's day. Ooh. The best kind of kindness is sprinkled like confetti. It flies in the sky and then steadily it floats down, down, around, as far as the eye can see. Kindness for you and me. Ooh, a helpful hand will do. Ooh, say something nice is my advice. Ooh, just try to share because that's fair and it shows you care. You can do that anywhere. The best kind of kindness is random. One simple act can change a person's day. So why not try one today?